Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel where I talk about all things AI. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT, the AI chatbot that can understand and generate human-like answers to text prompts. ChatGPT is based on the GPT-4 language model, which is the latest and most advanced version of the GPT family of models developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT can chat with you about anything, from sports to movies, from jokes to trivia, from science to philosophy, and more. Let's see how it works. To use ChatGPT, you need to go to the website chat.openai.com. Here, you can see a chat window where you can type your message and send it to ChatGPT. You can also see some examples of conversations that other users have had with ChatGPT. You can click on any of them to see the full chat history. To start a new conversation with ChatGPT, you need to click on the New Conversation button at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a new chat window where you can choose a name for yourself and for ChatGPT. You can also choose a language for your conversation. ChatGPT supports English, Spanish, French, German, Chinese, Japanese, and more. Once you have chosen your name and language, you can start chatting with ChatGPT by typing your message and pressing enter or clicking on the send button. ChatGPT will reply to you in a few seconds with a relevant and coherent answer. You can also see some information about the response, such as the confidence score, the number of words, and the time taken. You can chat with ChatGPT about anything you want, as long as it is respectful and appropriate. ChatGPT is not a human, but it tries to mimic human behavior and emotions. It can also use emojis, GIFs, images, and links to make the conversation more fun and engaging. You can also give ChatGPT some instructions or commands to change the style or tone of the conversation. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to be more formal or informal, more friendly or sarcastic, more funny or serious, etc. You can also ask ChatGPT to tell you a joke, a story, a fact, a quote, etc. To end the conversation with ChatGPT, you can simply say goodbye or close the chat window. You can also rate the conversation by clicking on the thumbs up or thumbs down button at the bottom of the screen. This will help OpenAI improve ChatGPT and make it better for future users. ChatGPT is an amazing AI chatbot that can provide you with entertainment, information, and companionship. It is also a great way to learn about AI and language models. You can try it for free at chat.openai.com and have fun chatting with ChatGPT. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more AI content. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about ChatGPT and what topics you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye. Waving hand.